Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an issue of the game Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons Remake. So the game is not working on our PlayStation and Xbox, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So if your game is not working on PlayStation, then first of all make sure to update the system software of your PlayStation console and then restart your console, and make sure that you have a PS5 console with vibration function, because the game is only available for PS5 with vibration function. The next thing you have to do is that you have to verify the integrity of the game file and even perform a reinstallation if required. And if you have installed the game on USB extended storage, then move the game data to the internal storage of your console. If these method does not work, then try to restart your console in safe mode. To restart your console in safe mode, first of all turn off the console by holding the power button. Now press and hold the power button again until you hear the second beep sound. Now connect the controller with the console using USB cable and then press the PlayStation button. Now your console is in safe mode, and now select the restart option from the list. If your game is not working on Xbox, then first of all check the status page of Xbox. This will help you to know whether all services of Xbox are working properly or not. The next thing you have to do is that you have to verify the integrity of the game file and perform a reinstallation if required. Also, this is an offline game and you can play it by setting your Xbox to offline, and for that press Xbox button on controller, then go to settings, go to general, go to network setting and select the option of go offline. Also update your system software and power cycle your console, and for that just turn off your console and turn it on again. So these were some ways to fix your issue. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit our website from the link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.